How to add Kajabi customers to Mailchimp as subscribers automatically. So Kajabi is an online course selling software, and assume that a customer has just made a purchase of my course. Now I want to add the same customer to Mailchimp as a contact automatically and instantly, so that whenever I want to follow up that customer or I want to send an email to that customer, I don't need to manually export the data from Kajabi and import it to Mailchimp. I just want to sync all my Kajabi customers, the paid customers, in Mailchimp without doing anything manually. So if you also want to set this automation in between these applications, come with me and I will show you the process step by step. So this is my Kajabi dashboard and this is the Mailchimp dashboard, and here I will make a purchase in front of you and you will see the same details will be added here as the contact. And for that I'll have to first connect Kajabi and Mailchimp with the help of Pabbly Connect. Well, it is an amazing integration and automation software, and you can also reach here by typing pabbly.com/connect. I will also attach this link in my description box. Now if you are a new user, you will have to sign up for free, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kinds of amazing automation. I am already an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so that is why I have clicked on sign in, then I have clicked on access now, and this is how you can also reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now firstly you will have to click on this button create workflow and just provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. So I am providing a random name as when purchase is made in Kajabi, create the contact in Mailchimp. Okay, so I am providing this particular name. Now click on create and you will actually find two boxes in front of you. Those are actually trigger and action. Okay, let me show you trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. When this happens, do this. So understand with an example also that whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, let's say, send an email via Gmail application, and according to our use case, whenever the payment is made in Kajabi applications, automatically add the same customer details in Mailchimp application. So this is how we need to always select the applications in which we are setting up an automation, and since here in this particular case we are actually building an automation in between Kajabi and Mailchimp, so that is why the first application here will be the Kajabi, and I want that whenever a new purchase is made, this automation should trigger, so that is why the trigger event will be the same. And after that you can see a webhook URL and few set of instructions are visible in front of me. So the idea here is we are going to connect Kajabi with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL, so that we can actually capture the purchase details here in Pabbly Connect, and then we are going to send the same details to Mailchimp application. So follow my instructions, copy this webhook URL, go back to your Kajabi dashboard, and here you will have to open that particular course which you would like to connect with Pabbly Connect, basically on the purchase of which you want actually to add the customer details here. Okay, so this is the PHP course which I am selling. You will have to go to the offer section, and after that you will find these three dots where you will find the webhook option. Okay, I'm sorry for that. Again you will have to click on this particular section, and then after clicking on these three dots you will actually find the webhooks option. Here you can see you will have to click on that particular webhook URL, and here we are going to paste the same webhook URL which we have just received in the Pabbly Connect, basically by the Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste the same and click on save, and you will see it will be updated. Basically the offer was successfully updated. Now come back to Pabbly Connect, and now you will have to click on this button recapture webhook response once again and read the instructions. It is saying that now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission or record, so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So here it is saying to do a test submission, and here the test submission means just doing a test payment in Kajabi software. So I will go back to my Kajabi software, and here I will open the checkout page, or how about I directly open the website in some different tab. Okay, so I will open the same here in the different tab. All right, so I'm going to open the same, and from here exactly I am going to make a dummy purchase of my course. Okay, now I will click on the store option. All right, and from here exactly I will actually buy this PHP course. All right, I'm going to click on the same, and basically here I'm actually making a free purchase because I'm creating this automation just to show you that how the automation can be created inside Pabbly Connect or with the help of Pabbly Connect. But this process will be same. Basically for the premium courses also the process will be the same, the process will be exact, and I am assuming that you are going to make the payment for the premium course. All right, for now I will proceed with the free product only. Okay, so I am going to make the payment with the dummy details. So let's say dummy customer, okay, is making a payment. Okay, so the email address is dummycustomer@gmail.com, and I am going to click on this button sign up for free, and it will ask me again the basic details. So again I am going to provide the dummy details, the dummy customer. All right, it is the name, first name and last name, and here I am going to provide the password, a random password. All right. Okay, so I have provided all the details. Now I will click on create and you will see the purchase will be successful. Now come back to Pabbly Connect. All right, and here you will see the same response will be captured here by Pabbly Connect. Here you can see the responses has been received immediately. Let me even show you the details one by one. Here we have the course title. All right, we have the customer name as the dummy customer. Where is the email address of the person? Okay, here we have the email address, and we even have all the details. So the presence of this data clearly shows that our automation, the first step of our automation, is actually working absolutely fine. Now what is next? We are going to send the same data to the Mailchimp email marketing software. For that I will search for Mailchimp in the second application, in the next application, and then I will connect this Mailchimp with Pabbly Connect and an action event. Well, of course I want to add the new member, so I will go with this particular action event. Now click on connect, click on add new connection, and again it is asking for the token and the data center for the connection. So from where you will actually get the token, you will have to go to the Mailchimp section, and here on your profile you will find the profile section, and from that you will have to click on the extras option. Okay, let me show you, it is still loading. Okay, here you can see in the extras you will find your API keys. So I am going to copy the API key from here only. So this is the API key and I'll be pasting it here, and it is asking for the data center. So you will have to read the instructions that enter the data center example US 19. So firstly I'll take you to the dashboard of Mailchimp, and here from the URL here you can see I have the data center as US 6. So I will copy and paste the same. Okay, click on save and you will see your Mailchimp account will be immediately connected with Pabbly Connect. And by just filling out these basic details, well, I am going to fill out only the important details which are actually required for the subscriber creation. Okay, and then you will see it will be done automatically. Okay, so firstly it is asking to choose the audience list. Okay, so whatever the list I have into my Mailchimp account is actually visible here. So I have just a single list, so I will select the same. Now it is asking for the email address. So instead of manually adding the data, I will map the above data which I have just received here in this particular field, and the mapping is very simple. You will have to click on this field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. You just need to select that particular value, and here it is asking for the email address. So I'm going to search with the at the rate, and simply click on that particular field, and this is how the detail will be mapped here. And what is the importance of mapping? So whatever the details you will map here, instead of adding them manually, these details will be automatically replaced when this automation will work in the real time. So that is why we are actually mapping this detail. Okay, now it is asking for the status of the subscriber. Well, I want to keep it as the subscribe only. Finally the first name and the last name. So I will again click on this field, and here I have the member name as, here I have the first name dummy. All right, and I have the last name also as the, okay, we have the last name as customer. So I have filled all the details, and here I am going to open the all contact section, and here I do not not have any contacts right now. You can clearly see that view contacts, so you have no contacts. Okay, I will now click on this button and you will see the magic. The response will be received. Okay, I'm actually waiting, fingers crossed. Okay, here you can see the response has been received. Go back to Mailchimp, refresh your dashboard. All right, I'm still waiting. And here you can see the same person, the person who has made the purchase for the Kajabi course has been added here automatically into the contact section. Basically, it has created as a subscriber. Here's the first name, here's the last name, here is the email address. So this is how whenever someone is going to make a purchase of your course, the same person will be automatically added as the subscriber in Mailchimp. So how about we test this automation once again, whether it is working absolutely fine or not. So again, I am going to make a dummy purchase of this particular course with completely new email address. So how about this time I am adding the customer email as the testing user. Okay, testinguser@gmail.com is actually making the payment. Now click on sign up for free and provide the basic details. That is, let's say test is the first name of the person and user is the last name, and here I will provide the basically the password. All right, so I have provided all the details. Click on create account and you will see the purchase will be successful. Again, I will now directly open my dashboard of Mailchimp and fingers crossed again. All right. And here you can see this time we have 2 subscribers and the second subscriber has also been added into the Mailchimp account. Here's the first name, here is the last name. So our automation is working absolutely fine, and now onwards whenever someone is going to make a new purchase in Kajabi software, the same person will be automatically and instantly added as a Mailchimp, and you just need to set this automation once inside Pabbly Connect. You do not have to come back again. After this, Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. In case you want to clone this setup into your account, I will attach the shareable link of my same workflow into my description box. You just need to click on this link and sign up for free, and the same workflow will be immediately cloned into your account. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.